Hello everyone, today I'm going to be telling you about paragraphs and other types of text outputters with HTML. Now, just like headings, paragraphs have pretty much the same use, except they're what the heading describes. The syntax is really simple. It's just a P between the lesser and greater than signs with a /P to close it. In between those two tags, you just put your paragraph or your text basically. So we'll say this is a paragraph, and then I'll show you what this looks like. So we press Control S to save it, and again we'll right click on this and open it with Internet Explorer. And if it decides to load anytime soon, there we go. Alright, so this is a paragraph is really all that will output, and as you see, it's really small. It's pretty much like about the size of a fourth heading, H4 heading, and we can actually compare the two. Just go here and then do H4. Then this is a paragraph, and that way we can compare these. Control S, and we'll just refresh this. There we go. So these are pretty much about the same size. The only difference is that H4 bolds it, which you don't want to use headings to do that, and there's a lot of reasons why. Most people would just tell you it's because it's not proper, it's not professional looking with the HTML. So just trust me, you don't want to do it. It's bad. Instead, you're going to use other tags, which I will show you in the next tutorial. But like I said in the last video about block quotes, I'm just going to show you what this looks like here. So we'll say this is a quote, and I'll just kind of show you that there are a lot of different text outputters, and you can find a lot of them. There's paragraphs, block quotes, all sorts of stuff, and as you see, it kind of gives it a margin off of the side, and it kind of makes it uniform. Like if you were to use this as a navigation bar, it always has a little bit of padding right here, or white space from the margin, and so there's not really a difference between them. Like the size and everything is the same. So again, you'd probably want to use CSS to define that, and yeah, so there's not really much to say about them other than they just output text, and there's just a lot of different ways to do this. You can just look up in Google HTML text output, and you'll find loads of things that tell you about how to output text. And so in the next video, I'm going to tell you how to bold, italicize, underline, superscript, subscript, and all that nice stuff with HTML. So thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry this video was so short. Didn't want to add it to the last one because it would make that video a little bit too long, so this is kind of a shorter one. But yeah, like the video if you liked it. Leave any suggestions, comments, video ideas below, and subscribe if you want to see future videos. Thanks again for watching. I'll be seeing you later.